For a sample of n equal to 100, find the probability of a sample mean being greater than 24.1 when the population mean is 24 and the population standard deviation is 1.25. So we want to use the normal CDF, but before we can do that, we need to find mu x bar and sigma x bar. So mu x bar is equal to mu, which is 24, and sigma x bar is equal to sigma over the square root of n. So 1.25 divided by the square root of 100, which is 0.125. So our picture looks like this, and we are going to type normal CDF 24.1, comma, infinity, and then for the mean we're putting mu x bar, which is 24, and for the standard deviation we are putting sigma x bar, which is 0.125, and this is equal to 0.2119.